You know you should learn English. You have the time. You have the resources. You even have the goal. But somehow, you keep delaying. You say, I'll start tomorrow. And tomorrow never comes. So what's really going on? The real problem. Procrastination is not laziness. It's a psychological reaction. Your brain is trying to avoid something. Discomfort. Confusion. Fear. You're not avoiding English. You're avoiding how it makes you feel. 5 reasons you keep procrastinating. 1. You feel overwhelmed. Too many resources. Too many methods. You don't know where to start. So you do nothing. 2. You're afraid of being bad. You don't want to make mistakes. You don't want to sound stupid. So you avoid speaking. Fear stops action. 3. You expect quick results. You want to improve fast. But when you don't, you lose motivation. Unrealistic expectations lead to frustration. 4. Your goals are unclear. I want to learn English is too vague. Without a clear goal, your brain doesn't take action. 5. You rely on motivation. I'll study when I feel ready. But most days, you don't feel ready. Motivation is unreliable. How to stop procrastinating. 1. Start small. Don't plan 2 hours. Start with 10 minutes. Small actions remove resistance. 2. Make it clear and simple. Instead of learn English, say, watch 1 video. Practice speaking for 5 minutes. 3. Accept being bad. You will make mistakes. That's how you improve. 4. Create a routine. Same time every day. No thinking, just doing. 5. Focus on progress, not perfection. You don't need perfect English. You just need better English every day. So remember, you're not lazy. You're just stuck in the wrong pattern. Break that pattern. Start small. Start now, because the hardest part is not learning English. It's starting. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.